For millennia, humanity has gazed at the night sky, captivated by a tiny reddish point of light, Mars. Once named for the god of war, today Mars is a symbol of hope and possibility. It calls us to step beyond Earth and become a multiplanetary species. The dream of Mars is no longer just science fiction, it's becoming science fact. Mars represents both our greatest challenge and our greatest opportunity to secure humanity's future and answer profound questions. Are we alone? Can life thrive elsewhere? The red planet may hold the answers. For all of history, our story has been earthbound. But that's about to change. Mars is not just a destination, it's a new chapter for all of humanity. The journey will be long and difficult, testing our ingenuity and unity, but exploration is in our DNA. It's what drove us across continents and oceans. Now it calls us across the vast ocean of space. The red planet awaits. Our destiny among the stars begins with Mars. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is a cold desert world with a rusty red surface. Its thin atmosphere and frigid temperatures make it seem inhospitable. But look closer, and you'll find echoes of Earth's past. Dried riverbeds, ancient lake beds, and minerals formed by water. Billions of years ago, Mars had a thicker atmosphere, a warmer climate, and vast oceans. It may have once been a cousin to early Earth, with conditions suitable for life. Today water remains, locked in polar ice caps and buried beneath the surface. A Martian day is just 40 minutes longer than ours, and it has seasons like Earth. These similarities make Mars feel less alien, more like a world we can work with. Its ancient watery past is a roadmap showing us the raw materials for habitability are there. The challenge is to nudge Mars back toward a state where life can thrive. The water is waiting. The elements are present. Mars isn't a blank slate. It's a world with history and hope. Our task is to unlock its potential. Why Mars? Our solar system is full of fascinating worlds, but none quite like it. Venus is a furnace of crushing pressure and acid rain, unlivable with current technology. The gas giants have no solid ground, and their distant icy moons are far harder to reach. Even our moon, though close, lacks atmosphere and key resources for long-term settlement. Mars sits in a Goldilocks zone for colonization. Not too hot, not too cold, not too far. Its day length is similar to Earth's, and it has an atmosphere and abundant water ice. The soil contains the elements we need. Of all the worlds in our reach, Mars offers the most plausible path to a second home. It's the only planet we can realistically hope to settle with today's technology. That's why Mars stands out. It's our best shot at becoming a multi-planetary species. A Mars colony can't rely on supplies from Earth, it must be self-sufficient. The key is in situ resource utilization, using what's already there. Mars has water ice just below the surface. Robotic miners could extract, melt, and purify it. Electrolysis splits water into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Combine hydrogen with Mars's carbon dioxide atmosphere, and you get methane, rocket fuel, and more water. Mars could become a refueling station for deeper space missions. Food will be grown in greenhouses using processed Martian soil enriched with nutrients. Harmful compounds like perchlorates must be removed, but the basics for agriculture are present. Habitats can be 3D printed from Martian regolith, built underground or covered for radiation protection. Using local materials transforms Mars from hostile to habitable. Every resource we use brings us closer to a true home. Self-sufficiency is the foundation of survival. On Mars we'll learn to thrive off the land. Living on Mars means facing relentless challenges. The greatest threat is radiation. Without a thick atmosphere or magnetic field, Mars is bombarded by cosmic and solar rays. Colonists must live in shielded habitats, often underground. The cold is extreme, with temperatures plunging far below freezing. Habitats need constant heat and power, likely from solar panels and nuclear reactors. Spacesuits are vital life support systems, protecting against cold, vacuum, and radiation. Psychological challenges loom: isolation, confinement, and a 22-minute communication delay with Earth. Crew selection and support are as crucial as engineering. Mars's gravity is just 38% of Earth's, risking muscle and bone loss. Exercise and medical monitoring are essential. Overcoming these obstacles is the price of making Mars our home. The red planet will test us, but it will also transform us. The journey to Mars is underway. Around the world, agencies and private companies are building the hardware for this new era. NASA's Artemis program will test vital systems on the Moon, a proving ground before Mars. Private companies like SpaceX are developing reusable rockets to make Mars accessible. The Vision fleets of starships, building a city on the red planet. Competition and collaboration are fueling a new age of exploration. Why do we do it? because exploration is in our nature. Mars will drive innovation, benefit life on Earth, and secure our future. As long as we're on one planet, we're vulnerable. Mars is our insurance policy. The first Martian pioneers are alive today, preparing for history. Their journey is our journey, a testament to our curiosity and courage. The Red Planet is not just a destination, it's our destiny.